Hello and welcome! In today's video, we will be playing many songs with the same 4 chords. Those 4 chords are C, G, A minor, and F. For advanced version of these chords, you can do C this way, G this way. I use the same A minor, and you can give me a high F. We have different strumming patterns and picking patterns for these. So when you see D, that means down, U means up, and X means to mute or stop the strings. And when you see individual notes, that means to pick. So for example, a picking pattern is to pick on G, E, and A at the same time, then C. And that's for she will be loved, and she will. But we'll get to that in a second. All right, so let's get started. Give me down, up, 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 down, up. Yeah, again, and. All right, let's do this. Just a small town girl living in the lonely world. Took the midnight train going anywhere. Nice, next song. Your lipstick stain on the front lobe of my left side brain. I knew I couldn't forget you, so I let you go, blow my mind. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Well, you turned at me and you bet I felt it. Pitch up, and you're so hot that I melted. Fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. With 1,000 lies and a good disguise, hit 'em right between the eyes, hit 'em right between the eyes. Listen what I say. I got your hey. Listen what I say. Save tonight and fight the break of dawn. Come tomorrow, tomorrow I'll be gone. Save tonight, fight the break of dawn. Come tomorrow, tomorrow I'll be gone. How long will I separate my son? I don't believe it's bad. Slit in my throat is all I ever. No woman, no crime. No would like to learn how to play any of the songs in this video, let me know. Also, please let me know in the comments below with some red emojis if you would like me to make a part 2. Because in my research, I found so many songs, it was really hard to choose. So red emojis if you would like to see a part 2. In the description box below, you'll see links to the tutorials that I've made for these songs. And also, if I don't have a tutorial, I linked a tab for you so that you can play the whole song. If you're using YouTube to learn how to play online, I would like to recommend the Elmore pedal. This is a pedal that you connect via Bluetooth to any device. So if you're watching on your phone, a tablet, TV, computer, you can connect the Elmore pedal, put it on the floor, and you can make it pause, rewind a little bit, a lot, play, go forward, skip any part where I'm just talking like right now. So this is a really useful tool because you get to put it on the floor and keep your hands on the instrument. So I will link the Elmore pedal down below. I think this is a super useful tool that you can actually apply using even if you're just watching for entertainment and you're eating and you don't want to stain your devices, but ideally, you would use it for music education and learning, so I will link it down below. Throughout this video, I've been using my signature ukulele, which is the Bougainvillea ukulele that I made in collaboration with Enya. This features like a very burgundy color with gloss. This is a mahogany ukulele with a beautiful stain, a gloss finish. I didn't want to put my name on the front of the ukulele because I wanted to keep it like beautiful like this. So what we did is we engraved a bee on the back of the headstock, so you'll see that. This ukulele comes with a gig bag that has a beautiful embroidery design of a bougainvillea in the front. You also get accessories included with this ukulele, and if you wanted to upgrade to an electronic version so that you can plug it into an amp or a preamp and record yourself, you definitely can do that. So I will link this ukulele down below. If you would like to attend weekly lessons with me via Zoom, I will link my Patreon community down below. And if you would like to buy a ukulele or ukulele apparel, journals, stickers, and all that jazz, I will link my Etsy shop down below as well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Subscribe to this channel if you're learning how to play ukulele, and I will catch you on the next one. Ciao!